Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to the assembly. So, let's begin the day with Gayatri Mantra. Please join your hands.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ
Well, I hope you all are doing very well in the examinations, the second unit test going on these days. I've seen your marks. Some are doing very well and some are still casual in the approach. This is not appreciable. See, in the present scenario, when we all are not coming to school physically and the virtual school is there, we are having education through online media. We have to be sincere in our approach. We have to revise the things nicely. We have to take everything seriously. All these marks will be counted when you will be promoted to the next class. So, those students who are still having a casual approach, you should change your mindset. जो बच्चे अभी तक बहुत लाइटली पढ़ रहे हैं, जो नहीं पढ़ रहे ठीक से, जिनको लगता है कि मज़े वाले दिन हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. You have to be sincere in your efforts so that when you are being promoted to the next class, you all have your chin high up. Well, students, in the last assembly I told you that we'll discuss about how to do reading. So today we'll discuss on this point. How to make the reading effective. What is the purpose of reading? See, reading is very important for every child, whether you are a student of nursery or you are a student of class 12th. Yes, even for class 12th. तो रीडिंग क्यों करते हैं और किस तरह से करनी चाहिए, दिस विल डिस्कस. For the primary kids, I request all the parents to be helpful to the kids. Make it a habit कि आपका बच्चा आपको रोज पढ़कर सुनाए. Make your child read aloud. वो जैसा भी पढ़े, whether it's Hindi book or English or any other subject, though of course except maths. So reading, to read aloud, जोर से पढ़े, क्लियर पढ़े. आप अपना काम घर में कर रहे हैं, आप करते रहिए. The mothers are very important. Every mother can help this way. अपने बच्चे से कहें वो आपको पढ़कर सुनाए. आप अपना काम करती रहें, बच्चा बोलता रहेगा और आप सुनती रहें. For the senior kids, class 6th to 9th or 10th, it's very important you should know how to read. सबसे पहले when you start reading, keep a pencil with you. To begin the work, put the date in the book. Then read word by word. Read it as if you are understanding it. Try to understand the content. हो सकता है पहली बार में कुछ भी समझना है. Read it again and again. Try to relate yourself with the content. Because आपको जब समझ आएगा कि आप क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, you should know what and how and why. Sometimes there is a problem with the question paper when you go to write the exam. आप क्वेश्चन को पूरा नहीं पढ़ते. पूछा जाता है what and you answer why. पूछा जाता है how and you answer for what. So reading is very important. Use that pencil. Underline the difficult words. Then try to consult a dictionary. Of course, dictionary is not in use these days because Google uncle बहुत कुछ बता देते हैं. So try to find out the meanings of the words which are not clear to you. Then underline the important lines. And if you are not getting any sentence or a paragraph, make a bracket on the margin side and put a question mark over there. And use the eraser the day you are clear about that answer. Just delete that thing. This will help you out a lot. When you will open your book again, you will see how many question marks are there and how many have been deleted. कितना आपको समझ आ चुका है, कितने क्वेश्चन मार्क्स अभी बाकी हैं. So try to delete the question marks as many as possible. जितने क्वेश्चन मार्क्स हटते जाएंगे मतलब कंटेंट आपको समझ आ गया. So reading is very important. And बड़े students class 6 onwards, try to act as if you are a teacher or as you are a leader. So read aloud the content. Just imagine that you are on the stage and people are in front of you. आप उनको समझा रहे हैं. उस तरह से बोल के पढ़ेंगे तो आपको डेफिनेटली समझ आएगा. कोशिश करके देखिए. It will be helpful for you. Once you are good in reading, next step of writing and revising will be very easy. So today I have just told you about reading. So please try to give some time every day for reading. हर बच्चा reading रोज करे, थोड़ा सा करे, some in Hindi and some in English. That will be fruitful. I hope you will understand my point and you will follow this. And in the next assembly, I'll tell you something about how to write properly and how to revise properly. So, please start reading from today itself. Bye everyone. Have a good day.